This panel is you have to remove this thing here first. Screwdriver by flipping it off, and there's this screw, Phillips screwdriver to remove this screw here, just like that. Maybe magnetic there, and also this. Pry this off, and then remove also these two screws in the handle. This one, or else it's gonna be very difficult. There, and also this. Yeah, there you go. Two screws. Are they the same screw sizes? Yeah. And then let me see. But this one is different, smaller screw, and this one is a bigger screw in the handle. And also you can flip this thing off. And there's a latch in here. We have, in order to remove it, yes, there's a latch. Put this aside, and then here there are plastic anchors. It should be easy now. So something popped up. 1, 2, 3. Push this probably up. Some more. This is quite difficult. There you go. And this is the handle that is not working. We'll have to check what's happening here. Right? I don't know why. So I have to remove this also. But I think before we can remove this, I have to pop this thing off. Let me see. Oh, there's a lot also in the here. It's this one. There you go. And then twist it so that you can remove this door panel. Okay. So have to check. So this handle, this latch here is popped off from this door assembly. That's why whenever we open it like this, the cable just follow and it's not pulling the latch there on the door lock. So I have to just put this thing back, right? And then now it's good. See, it's just like those brakes in the bicycle. It's working now, and the door is opening. Good. And this is the door release lock mechanism. And this is the door handle, inside door handle latch. So we're good. We'll just have to remove this and put it back in the door panel. The same thing with this and this one, but this one is already busted. We'll just have to buy a new one. But this one, I think we can still use this. I'm going to hit this thing up a bit so that it's not going to be brittle. These are the plastic anchors. 2 on the top, 1, 2, and then 2 in the middle, 1, 2, and then 3 in the bottom, 1, 2, 3, a total of 7. And this power window mechanism has also 7 latches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, now we're going to put this thing back. So putting it back, you have to twist this horizontally first so that we can insert it inside. Alright, and then set this up first. Here, probably put it up. There you go, easy. And then here there's a latch. This is the only thing that's holding, so we'll just have to push this, and there you go. So let me try it first from the inside. Let's see if the door is working. Yeah, it's working.
Popped.
Right, and now just have to go on each side here.